Hello, Paranormal Cyclist here. I think I'm gonna do a ghost box session using this Apidroid ghost box. I'm gonna ask entities about Biringan City. So, we're gonna ask them if it's real or if does it really exist or mga ganon. Okay? Hello, entities, spirits, spirit guides. I'm gonna ask you a question about Biringan City. So, is it real? Does it exist? Hello? Does Biringan City really exist? Hi. I'm gonna ask again. Nag-exist ba talagang Biringan City? No, I heard no. So kung nag-exist ito, saan ba ito matatagpuan?
Exposure?
Okay, so paano ba ako makakapunta dito? I heard bus. Ghost? So I need to be dead in order to go there.
Mga bat.
Mga bat? Okay.
Sa edad.
Sa edad. So there might be a certain age.
Of death.
Okay, nakapunta na ba kayo sa Biringan City, sa mysterious place na ito?
Since Riches.
So ano-ano ang mga tao or entities or ano ang quality ng mga tao doon? So ano ba sila? What are they?
Linom. Ang gamit.
Okay, so thank you if something came through. If someone answered my questions. Hopefully I can get it during the playback. So maraming salamat. Is there any final messages that you would like to say to me? Okay, thank you. Please do not follow me. I heard bye, okay? So that's my short Biringan session, asking the entities or spirits about the whereabouts of the Biringan. So that's it. Thank you. Please don't smoke. Cigarette smoking is dangerous for your health. Paranormal Cyclist out.